and our master bathroom refresh. Partial remodel is done and I'm really excited to share with you guys today. So our room was in dire need of an update. I'm gonna show you the before. I hadn't touched it since we moved into the house over 8 years ago. So we didn't want to spend a lot of money. We didn't want to take a lot of time, but we knew that we needed to do a few things to just make it beautiful. So here's the before. Day, I don't know what, of quarantine here in San Diego. And here's our bedroom, which you guys have seen plenty of times. There's just some things that we just never fully finished when we moved in 8 years ago. Like, for example, the baseboards were primed, never painted. They're just a little janky. Maybe a new light fixture, fresh paint, new door trim. And then our bathroom, I was thinking it would be fun to add some sort of wall treatment, like wallpaper or such, so I've been researching that.
Well,
no time like the Rona to start a house project.
Yeah, I'm gonna do everything but painting, and I think having them do wallpaper,
yeah,
it just seems like why even try, you know? It sounds like so petty, but it's probably one of those really annoying things.
And I actually bought fabric today, 2 yards, really cheap. I'm gonna reupholster this. You can unscrew the back and just put new fabric on.
Dude, that's so smart.
Yeah, because it's ripping on top there.
Yeah, you
and it's all discolored. Yeah, it was 20 bucks.
That's actually really easy to do, probably.
I know, I looked at it and I was like, I could do that.
Why did we think about that a long time ago?
I don't know.
This thing's so sad.
Sunday afternoon, Trav's been outside working. Tore off all the baseboards.
Yeah, they're lower. It's just quality. I don't know. Well, it feels like I've done nothing, but I've been here for like 5 hours. Door used to swing in, which you saw in the previous videos in there. And then we had this toilet paper holder. We have a very small toilet space. So we're doing an indented one. So I had working on the room. Pulled the headboard off. Here are the 2 lights, pendant lights that I'm going between. This one is a World Market find. And that one is an Overstock find. There he is, the man himself. Look at that stash. These are the lights for the bathroom. Room lights with a few Easter eggs in there. Promise to make my bed. You guys never see it made, but the baseboards are almost done. It's Good Friday, so we're trying to have everything done by tomorrow so we can take Easter off. So the wallpapering, that's gonna be a big project of mine tomorrow. So the upper half here is getting wallpapered, and Travis is almost done with the wainscoting on the bottom. He's done an amazing job, even did things like cut out toilet paper holder. So everything on the upper part will be wallpapered. So we gotta get everything for that. Look at even that little piece down there he got, impressive. Oh well, it's not stapled, by the way.
That's okay.
We will staple.
And look at that.
This will just lift it up.
Very impressive. 2 of these rolls from Serena and Lily. This is called the Priyana wallpaper in sky blue. It's super beautiful. I cannot wait to put it up. So I've been researching on YouTube how to do the paste. It's gonna definitely be a couple hour job tomorrow, but I'm up for it.
Looks like I'm putting on a big sticker. You gotta get a razor blade.
That wallpaper job was a doozy, you guys, a doozy. It is 6 o'clock, we start at 1 o'clock. Tiny, tiny little break. But holy cow, I mean, just started off strong and it got wild, absolutely wild. We still have to trim the top and all of that. Trav's putting in the new lights, but I'm gonna give you a synopsis.
You probably shouldn't even film this part because it still looks terrible, but don't. Unless you're like
this is our family
so
from the raw.
bored, don't ever wallpaper. It just feels like
I've never been good with this kind of stuff. I can do with wood, but like paper, can't do with paper.
I love it, but it was crazy job, crazy town. So that's our 2 cents. More of a full update later. I just wanted to express our exhaustion. I wanted to give you one last look. The painters have prepped everything. We had them remud the ceiling since our ceiling was a little bit funky before. The whole room is going to be painted Chantilly lace from Benjamin Moore. And we got the light fixtures semi in. We just need to get new bulbs and put the glass. The mirror should be here Thursday. And our latest thing is Trav added birch wood shelves from Home Depot. So we bought them. They come in about, I think, 3 feet. He added that little trim piece with the staple gun, and he's gonna glue it in. These are some just floating shelves that I want to put, you know, a plant, some towels folded up, some little decor items. And what's also good about the shelves is this whole wall was kind of hodgepodge together with our last roll of wallpaper. So it definitely hides the imperfections a lot better. Walls are painted and we are putting up the light. Thankful for my handy hubby.
I've been shocked like 5 times already.
Went with the World Market light. We're happy here with the paint color. It is Chantilly lace from Benjamin Moore. We painted the ceiling the same. Baseboard's the same, just in a semi-gloss. The walls were in a satin. This is Chantilly lace as well, in a semi-gloss for the bathroom. Just finished stapling. We'll probably now go and trim all this excess. Ready to go. Good as new. Such an easy upholstery project.
Yeah, like the best thing we've ever done. Easiest. Wallpaper, 10. This, 1. All right, push it back in.
Here is it now. Travis and I both cannot get over how just stunningly beautiful this new space is. The fresh white paint, the updated baseboards and trim just went such a long way, and I absolutely think the focal point, which is the center of the room, and this new light fixture made everything. The room is clean, crisp, classy, and it gives off this warm, inviting beach kind of vibe with the crisp whites, the chandelier, and the hints of blue. In order to save money, I only updated a few things in my room, like a few new plants, the throw on my bed, the small throw pillow. I actually just swapped walls where my wall art was. I moved the little faces to the left side, and to the right side I added our bows, but I stacked them instead of having them side by side. The reupholstery to our headboard was a genius idea. The $20 I spent on that really updated our 11-year-old bed, and it made it just feel fresh and new. I decided to go with the World Market light. I loved the washed warm tones of the rattan basket, and I thought it gave a very beachy sort of vibe. I honestly cannot believe this is our bathroom. It has changed so dramatically. The crisp white wainscoting that Travis worked so hard on and the beautiful Serena and Lily wallpaper is just absolutely incredible. I love the way it turned out. It is so soothing, it is so fresh. In order to make the bathroom a little bit more modern, I decided to bring in some brass elements with the vanity lights and the simple modern brass framed mirror. It's amazing what one larger, very simple mirror can do for one tiny bathroom. My favorite nook of the bathroom are these floating shelves that Travis whipped up really inexpensively from Home Depot. I love the natural wood as it just shows really well against all the clean white and blue colors. I just added some little hand towels and a few elements that I had found around my house that I repurposed here in our bathroom.
Really thrilled with the way it all turned out. As you can see, I have a lot of white in my home. White is not for everybody, and that is absolutely okay. If you're looking at this and thinking, girl, totally fine. But for me personally, I love white, I love neutrals, I love blues. I used to always fight that and feel like I needed to add more and change my style up. At the end of the day, you have to do what makes you happy. And I personally love just a very neutral, white, clean, basic palette because it soothes me, it calms me. When I come into my space here in my new bathroom, I just immediately feel rested and relaxed. And so I want to encourage you, like, find your personal style. And if the rest of the world is screaming, that's not cool or that's not in, shut that out, because you need to feel at peace and at home and comforted in your own space. With that, I am excited to be doing a giveaway, something that you saw in this room. So if you don't follow me already, go over to @AshlynCarter, find my latest post about our update, and enter to win. And if you win, you get a lucky gift from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.